Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing one of the most energetic and lovable cowgirls in animation history, Jessie from Toy Story. If you love Disney, Pixar, fun cartoon characters, and relaxing drawing tutorials, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to continue creating free drawing tutorials for amazing artists like you. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's start drawing. We'll begin by sketching Jessie's head and facial features. Take your time with the large, expressive eyes and cheerful smile. These little details really help capture Jessie's fun-loving personality. As always, if any step feels challenging, don't hesitate to pause the video and continue at your own pace. Drawing should always be fun and relaxing. Jessie made her first appearance in Toy Story 2, released in 1999. Jessie was voiced by actress Joan Cusack in all 4 main Toy Story films. Jessie's full name is often referred to as Jessie the Yodeling Cowgirl, reflecting her origins in Woody's Roundup. In Toy Story 2, Jessie reveals that she was originally owned by a girl named Emily in one of Pixar's most emotional scenes. The song When She Loved Me, which accompanies Jessie's backstory, was performed by singer Sarah McLachlan and received an Academy Award nomination.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old books supposed to teach about heaven and hell.
Next, we'll move on to Jessie's beautiful red hair and her famous cowgirl hat. Jessie is part of the fictional television show Woody's Roundup, alongside Woody, Bullseye, and Stinky Pete. Despite her energetic personality, Jessie initially suffers from claustrophobia after being abandoned in a storage box for many years.
Said I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music make everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close, moving over to me through the memories that only the shadows on the ceiling know. The whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody starting to take hold as the night wears on.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. It really helps support the channel and allows us to create even more drawing tutorials. And if you'd like to learn how to draw Jessie's best friend, Sheriff Woody, click the card above and check out our complete tutorial. I'd also love to know in the comments, which Toy Story character would you like us to draw next? pay attention to the large shape of the hat and the decorative white trim around its edges. This is one of the details that makes Jessie instantly recognizable.
If we're lucky, the country music make everything alright.
Now let's continue with the torso and clothing.
There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said, "You want some coffee?" Said, "Yeah, babe, I take a little sugar in mine." She got up, put on a morning dress.
Next, we'll add the buttons, collar, belt, and other clothing details.
There was nothing much left.
In Toy Story 3, Jessie develops a close friendship with Buzz Lightyear, especially during Buzz's memorable Spanish mode scenes. Jessie's adventurous and optimistic personality often makes her one of the bravest toys in Andy's group.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden.
The Toy Story franchise became one of Pixar's most successful and beloved series, inspiring attractions, games, and merchandise around the world. Continue refining the arms and hands, paying close attention to the waving pose and the hand resting on the waist. Remember, if you need extra time for any section, simply pause the video and follow along at your own speed. For now, we'll leave the red embroidery on the sleeves and chest for later, so don't worry about those decorative details just yet. As we continue refining the shirt and sleeves, you'll notice that Jessie is already starting to come to life. And when you're ready to color, here are a few tips. Start with a light peach tone for the skin. Then add slightly darker shades around the cheeks, ears, under the chin, and beneath the hat to create natural shadows. Small highlights on the forehead, nose, and cheeks will make the face feel more vibrant and expressive. Jessie's iconic hair uses bright orange-red tones. For extra depth, try using darker reds in the shadow areas and lighter orange or almost white highlights where the light naturally hits the hair. Her shirt is mainly white, so soft gray shadows can help define folds and add dimension without making the clothing look too dark. The cuffs and chest decoration feature bright yellow tones, while the embroidered details can be colored in vivid red to match her classic movie appearance. For the hat, warm shades of red work perfectly. Adding deeper reds beneath the brim and lighter highlights across the top will give it a nice three-dimensional look. Finally, use bright blue tones for the jeans, adding darker blues for shadows and lighter highlights along the folds. Of course, these are just suggestions. Feel free to color Jessie however you like and add your own personal artistic touch to the drawing. For the decorative embroidery on the sleeves and chest, we created a separate layer so we could draw the lines directly in red. But feel free to draw them in black, use a red pencil if you're working traditionally, or use whichever method feels the most fun and comfortable for you. And wow, our cowgirl is looking absolutely beautiful, isn't she? Jessie officially became part of the Disney Princess merchandise line for a period, even though she is not considered an official Disney princess character. And here's our Jessie, full of energy and ready for her next adventure with Woody and the gang. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!